apply to this plate posterior rocks. This is our mixture na consists of lime putty, lime mortar, and white Portland cement.
Tupurin ka!
Yeah. Put it here now, so we will
Ay, basan tayo sa
yeah, misting. So before we will apply this one, we have to mist all the mixture, and that we did last Friday. Now misting and adding water prior to plastering. Kapanganyan may pambarang irata dito.
May kakay.
Yeah, we will clean and mist, put water prior to plastering.
Nasasabi yun po, pwede buhangin. Gatak ka. Kita pa. May kita mong camera na.
Plastering. Kamusta mo pinakilala bakit akin yung and now we are doing the plastering works, and this is approximately half inch of thickness of mixture. Now continue plastering work. It's only approximately half inch thickness. For the first layer of plastering, and again we will wait for 2 or 3 days to apply the next layer of plastering. But I think that one will be done on Wednesday or Thursday. So we have to wait this one, and misting of water is while we are waiting for to dry this plastering work. Misting of water is continuously done.
Oh! Ay, misanan, masira yung drum. Pumupitso. Sige ka pa.
This is the first layer of plastering work. So after again after 2 or 3 days we will apply the second one, the second layer.